Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and today we are going to look at how to fix incompatible USB drive that display on your Carplay screen when you insert USB drive into your Carplay. So not to waste time, let's dive into the tutorial. So first thing first, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video and comment as well. Now let's proceed. So anytime you encounter this problem, what you're going to do is you are going to unplug the USB drive from your Carplay and then insert it back into your computer. Then from here, you are going to open this PC. So your USB drive will appear here. So what you're going to do is go on and open it and then copy all the files that you have on it to your desktop. Because the next step that we are going to take will erase all the files that you have on your USB drive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all these folders from my USB drive to my desktop. So once you finish backupping your files, what you're going to do is you are going to right click on your USB drive and then select format. So from this pop-up window, we are going to change the system file from NTFS to FAT32. And underneath, you are going to change the allocation unit size to 16 kilobytes. Then proceed and click on start. And this will bring out a warning message. Go ahead and click on OK. And then wait for a couple of seconds or minutes for your computer to format your USB drive. So once you have finished formatting your USB drive, you are going to open your web browser and then go to this website. I will leave the link in the video description. So from this website, you are going to download a software called Rufus. So you are going to scroll down until we see the download link. So from here, you are going to click on one of the links that is compatible with your computer system. So I'm going to go with the S64 Windows, which is compatible with 64-bit computers. So after I click on it, you see that the download automatically starts. So once the download finishes, you are going to open your download folder on your computer and double click on the Rufus setup to open. So here you are going to change a couple of things. So first of all, the software will automatically detect your USB drive, as you can see it right here. So underneath, you are going to change the boot selection to 3 doors and then change partition scheme to MBR. And under the format options, make sure your system file is set to FAT32 and change the cluster size from 16 kilobytes to 8192 bytes. Then you can choose to change the volume label, which is the name of your USB drive, but I will leave mine like this. So after you finish doing all this, you are going to click on start. And this will bring out a warning message. Go ahead and click on OK. So now you are going to wait for a couple of minutes for the software to format your USB drive. So once the software finishes formatting your USB drive, you'll see the status bar says ready. From here, you are going to proceed and click on close. So now if you go back to this PC and then open your USB drive, you'll see that the software generates local folder and auto run on your USB drive. And please do not delete them. So now you can go back and copy all your MP3 and MP4 files on your pen drive. So now you can eject your USB drive and go back to your Carplay and then insert it into your Carplay. And this will automatically play your MP3 or your MP4 files on your pen drive. And I hope this tutorial helped you, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for future updates, and I'll see you on the next tutorial soon. Peace.